Good morning. My name is Oscar Leonardo Rios Ospina. I am a student of Industrial Engineering at the National Open and Distance University UNAD. Then I will present the development of the facts for team leadership and the Diamond Supermarket Case Organizational Board. Student name Oscar Leonardo Rios Ospina. Date July 31, 2022. Factor team building, main problems or weakness in the case. Each employee has a designated function and a specific role to perform within the business. They do not review inefficient processes due to lack of personnel or capacity. If a responsible person is not designated for each process that complies or does not comply. Proposal to improve the situation. Promote the training of each process and work as a team for the critical function that demand more workload, focusing training on the most demanding activities, reducing response time to each need. And second factor, leadership, my problems or weakness. There are no designated roles to monitor compliance with each process or the areas that are in the structure of the company. Additionally, as it is a family business, there are objections to each decision linked to the views of each member for the process. Proposal to improve, designate a role for macro process that covers critical generalized that the company currently suffers this to control compliance with basic indicator of service and supply in order to guarantee the satisfaction of the final customer. And change management, main problem or weakness. The changes do not apply to a structure of the company because each member of the family plays a specific role, and since it is a family business, no charge or restructuring are allowed that allow the continuous improvement on the supermarket. And next, treat and proposal to improve, carry out restructuring in the areas for each process and supervised by each member specialist in specific areas seeking to innovate at the level of process and administration. And third factor, conflict management, main problems or weakness. Internal conflicts are resolved by discussion, reason, in their opinion, due to the fact that being family, age, and as position on hierarchy that imposes one on the other. and proposal to improve, implement triangle meeting in order to engage in PDA regarding process, result, and inappropriate behaviors that are architected by the administration and development of daily activities. This in order to seek solution together and improve the work environment. And four factor and human capital and innovation. My problems, weakness, human capital correspond to family nuclear distribute and heirs are according to role select by each member operating while the same model structural and technologic level science, the diamond supermaker was created. A proposal to improve hire external personnel training in each process and supervised by each member specialized in specific areas seeking a level of demand or each function to development to widen the expect result, motivation, technology development. Thank you very much.